Okay, so dear student, let's continue the chapter. Here, a headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He was a good pupil. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 years old. We have completed so far, and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation. Regimentation means to say discipline, hard, strict order and disciplines. He did not like it and often clashed with his teacher. Means he often had an argument with the teachers because he did not like the discipline, strict orders and disciplines. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled. Stifled means unable to breathe, suffocated. उसका दम घुटता था वहाँ पर, stifles there, that he left the school for good. Means he did not stay there and he left the school. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with the relatives. Previous year means a year ago, his parents went to Milan and he was left there in Munich with relatives. After prolonged discussion, prolonged means a long discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland. However, he wanted to study, but he did not like the discipline and orders of the previous school, but he wanted to continue his study, and there he chose another school that was in Switzerland, and it was a German-speaking school in a city which was more liberal than Munich. Means here in this new school, his the discipline was not very strict. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics. Means he was very good, excellent at mathematics, and he had a great interest in physics also. And after finishing school, he decided to study at the University of Zurich. Means after school he wanted to go to the University of Zurich for his further studies, but science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. Mustache means मूछें. एकमात्र पढ़ाई ही नहीं थी जो उसको अट्रैक्ट करती थी. Some other things were there which appealed means attracted this man who had walrus mustache मतलब बड़ी बड़ी मूछें जिसके थी. He was attracted towards some other things. He also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Maric. Mileva Maric means this was a lady. She was also a student, and he had a great interest in this lady, whom he found to be a clever creature. Clever creature means एक चतुर व्यक्तित्व मानती थी. This young Serb means she was a Serbian lady, like Indian and English people in the same. She was from Serbia, so she is a Serbian lady. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. At that time, it was very few universities were there where where ladies were allowed to complete their education, and one of them was University of Zurich. So that's why she came there to complete her studies. Einstein saw in her all ally against the an ally against the Philistines. Philistines means a word used disapprovingly to talk about people who do not like art, literature and music. Philistines मतलब जिनको आर्ट में और म्यूजिक में, लिटरेचर में, इसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, ऐसे लोगों को कहा जाता है. एंड अ वर्ड ऑल्सो इज देयर, ally means a friend or an associate. So he used to take her as a friend. वो उसको अपना दोस्त मानता था, और she was such a lady who did not have interest in literature, music and art. Clear? So those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds means अन्य जो उसके परिवार के सदस्य थे उनके साथ इसकी इसलिए नहीं बनती थी because they were a kind of Philistines, and they did not have respect for art, literature and music. So the couple fell in love. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words. They also exchanged letters, mixing science with tenderness. Mixing science means they used to exchange their views using science also. ऐसे लेटर लिखे जाते थे जिसमें they were in love but they used to use science words also tenderly. Wrote Einstein, how happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. यहाँ पर इसने लिखा है how happy and proud I shall be. He was very proud to see that they both Mileva and he himself both generated a work. They did a work that was based on the relativity. You might have studied in science the theory of relativity. They did it and it was the victorious conclusion, and he was very happy and proud of himself. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. When he was 21, he was unemployed, but he had completed his graduation. He worked as a teacher. He worked as a teaching assistant के रूप में उसने काम किया. Gave private lessons. बहुत सारे स्टेजेस पे, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में उसने प्राइवेट लेसन्स दिए, एंड फाइनली सिक्योर्ड अ जॉब इन 1902 एज अ technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Bern is the name of the place, and he got a job in patent office. Patent office means to say वो लोग जो अन्वेषण करते हैं, खोज करते हैं किसी चीज़ का, इस ऐसे एक ऑफिस में उसको जॉब मिली. While he was supposed to be assessing others people invention, his job was to assess other people's invention. दूसरे लोगों के द्वारा की गई खोज को असेस करने का काम था उसकी देखरेख करनी थी. आइंस्टीन वॉज एक्चुअली डेवलपिंग हिज ओन आइडिया इन सीक्रेट. वो इन सीक्रेट मतलब चोरी चुपके वो खुद के आइडियाज़ को डेवलप कर रहा था. ही इज सेड टू हैव jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. He used to call his table, his drawer, what? He gave a name to it, and it was Bureau of Theoretical Physics. So further